So this is our bot which does 2D map exploration. It will roam around the map and try to create an image of the obstacles that it found. So currently it found a lot of new points to its right and in front of it, so it took some time to transmit all the data. Now it has only a very small data because there's an obstacle very nearby, so now it's moving on very faster. Again it will find a lot of points. It will send them back to the computer. And okay, so currently what the bot is doing is it is following the left wall, and now it will execute a very nice turn. Basically what happens is it has to turn such that its center position of its center is retained, so you need some calibration of the bot to execute that sort of a turn.
And it sends the data to the laptop through a Zigbee module, and we can see the data being coming on the laptop here, and using this data, and after every 10 values it produces a grid. Now we are going to show you one of the raw images that is generated via the data, which is this. As you can see, it has some errors points in it, and now this is the one which is being improved and cleaned, and by some we have used some basic algorithms to clean the data so that we can actually get a better idea of what the map is. The name of the project is Marco Polo Explorer Bot, and it is made by Viraj and Sumit.